Hey loves, I'm the Asialorrain and welcome back to my channel. Yes, y'all, it is October 1st, which means it is fully fall season. I'm so excited, and that's why in this video I'm going to show you some cute fall decor and also a few mini clothing items that I got for this season because I love the fall season. Fall is definitely my season. It's everything besides, you know, winter and Christmas. We get into that later. But yeah, so if you guys want to see more of this video, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want to see more videos like this, give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below, y'all. I'm so excited to do this video. Also put you on, we do not gatekeep here, okay? We don't gatekeep at all. So I'm going to tell you guys the prices, I'm going to tell you guys where I got it from and all of that, so you can hurry up and rush if you're not thinking about decorating your room and stuff, yada yada yada. Girl, this video is going to give you so many ideas on how to decorate within your room. Let's get on with this video. Guys, so the first thing I want to show you guys, as you can see in the back, is this really cute skeleton head. It's so cute. I usually don't get things like this, but I honestly just decided why not and go get it and kind of place it like in this corner. This is from Marshalls, by the way, and this was only $7.99, and it is like fake leaves and dirt. Quality of this feels so amazing for $7.99, y'all. This feels so good. I really like it. I highly recommend putting it in like in a corner someplace. Next thing I got was these really cute white pumpkins. So this is how it looks, y'all. It's so cute. I love a cute white pumpkin. If your whole theme in your room or house is like, you know, a modern look, basically neutral colors, I highly recommend this. It is such a cute white, and this was $6.99, so together this was $12.99, $13. So yeah, definitely amazing, and this is really high quality. These are really cute. I also got these from Marshalls, and yeah, these are so cute. I also placed these two cute pumpkins. I believe this was only $7.99 for probably 6, or maybe it was $8. I'm not sure, but it does come in a pack. Really cute to kind of just place in areas where you think that is like very empty. Highly recommend getting these. So cute to just have on display. They're from, I think, Ross, either Ross, Tjmaxx, or Marshalls. Like, they're literally kind of like the same thing. So yeah, these are so cute. The next thing I got was this really cute pillow from Tjmaxx. This is so freaking gorgeous, at least to me. My sister, she didn't really like it, but you have these three little, I think they're called norms. What are they called, y'all? I don't really know. These three little people that have like little beards. Like, this is so cute and unique. Like, I freaking love it. Back, it's like a plaid on the back, and y'all, this is so cute. So the front like this and the plaid is like that. I use the plaid part just because I will show you guys my blanket. It's kind of like this, but yeah, this is so cute. It's like orange, white, and like the blacks. So this is so cute and it's so soft. I always lay my head on this. I get this from Tjmaxx, and this was $20. Y'all, I don't think you guys understand. Pillows are so expensive. This was really cute and good quality. So if you do go to Tjmaxx or Marshalls, then be ready for some high prices, because when it comes to pillows, y'all, it's super high. Pillows like these, you won't be spending at least like probably $16 and up. So keep that in mind, but this is definitely worth the purchase. I will not be throwing this pillow at all. She is mine forever, and I will be sleeping with her every single night, okay? as blankets, here is a blanket that I got and that I'm currently sleeping on. But yeah, so yeah, this is how it looks. It is like a cute candy corn color. I feel like it's super soft, y'all, so soft. I love this so much. Inside it's like this furry white. Got this from Tjmaxx, but I believe this was probably $12.99 or probably less than that. But I don't want to go under my cover, I just put this around me and I am warm. But yeah, this is so cute. The only downside is that it's pretty short, but other than that, this is just, oh, I love it. So next, here is a really cute fall candle that you guys need to try out. This was from Home Goods and it was only $10. It smells like you're like by the campfire and like, you know, like, oh my god, this smells so good. Like, and this is the brand, I know they always have this brand at these like stores like that one, but yeah, so this is how it is. This smells so freaking good, y'all. I did burn it. I did burn it, but yeah, I burn it every single night because it just smells good and I always want my room to smell like fall season. Also, I got this apple honey butter, so this is how it looks. And y'all, this one is honestly my favorite one. It's from Marshalls for $10 and it's pretty big. Honestly, comparing the size, this one's definitely worth $10. But yeah, this one smells so good. It's definitely one of my favorites. This smells so good. I believe, oh no, yeah, it's by the same brand, DW Home, and this is how it looks, y'all. This smells amazing. I burned it one time because I wanted to get rid of that one low-key and save this one for last because this one smells so good. I'm pretty sure if you've been to Marshalls, Tjmaxx, you guys probably did come across this one. It smells so good. And also, guys, let me know in the comments which candle from Marshalls, Tjmaxx, Ross, whatever, is your favorite candle for the fall. I would love to know because I love candles. I love when it's a season such as like winter, spring, summer, whatever. I just love to get candles for those seasons, and this one just definitely fits in with the season. I highly recommend this one. They also have a mini size as well for $4.99, but this one just smells too great that I just need to get a big one. So yeah, this is how it looks. I love these two candles. So let me know if you guys tried this before and let me know what you guys think of these. But yeah, highly recommend. I'm going to blow this one tonight, okay, and I'm going to save you for later. But yeah, highly recommend this. Okay, so I'm going to move on to lotion that I'm currently loving right now. So it's basically the Basic Apple by Pink. This smells so good. This smells so good. It does smell like any generic like apple lotion, I'm not gonna lie, but I just had to get this. It smells so good. I believe this was on sale for maybe $5.99. This smells really good. How it looks, it feels so good onto the skin. I hope you guys want to see a hygiene fall haul. I am planning on getting some new hygiene stuff, so let me know if you guys want to see that. I have these really cute fall socks. It's kind of like a candy corn besides the red, but yeah, this is how it looks. It says hello fall at the end. One says hello and the other one says fall, and oh my god, this was so comfortable. This was actually a pack of 3, but tell me why I lost 2 of them, so I don't know where they're at. And for the pack of 3, I believe they were like $5.99, no less than $10. It's gonna be cold, or like even if it's cold in your house or outside, like these fuzzies does come in handy to keep you warm. So yeah, highly recommend them. I'm gonna show you guys 3 fall pieces. One of them is actually this shirt that I got from Fashion Nova, so that's how it looks. This is one of them, like a combo. This is actually for Fashion Nova. How it looks is this like really cute overall skirt dress. This is so cute, but it's really big on me. This is in a size large. It's really big on me, y'all, but I should have got a medium to kind of fit, like tighten up. So I'm gonna wear it with this cute white sleeve, and these two together, look, as you can see, so freaking cute. They were having a sale, so I'm not sure. I'll definitely put on the screen or in the description for you guys. But yeah, so this is these both pieces are by Fashion Nova. This is a bodysuit, by the way. So, and it's also a turtleneck as well. But yeah, this is so cute. These pieces go well together. I live in California, it's still hot, so I did get this dress from H&M. This is really cute. It's pretty long. I got this in a medium and this was only $17.99. The quality is really good actually, and it's a V. I did get a little bit of makeup, but yeah, so it's how it looks. It is so cute, you know, just lounging or going to run errands but looking cute. I'm in the process of getting some cute fall clothes. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on that. I will definitely make a cute basic fall collection for you guys because I really need to update my wardrobe since it is fall season. Yeah, that is basically it. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. What you guys think of these amazing decors, clothes, lotion. I am going to do a hygiene fall haul and also a basic fall collection. So that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I will see you girlies next time. Bye.